Hello. Here at MyBedFrames, we pride ourselves on our range of hypoallergenic mattresses that we manufacture. We're then able to pass the saving onto our customers as we have no retail overheads. Today, I'd like to show you our Bella model, featuring natural cooling latex fillings. This 11-inch deep mattress has a medium feel. We firstly take a 9-inch block of open-celled, high-density base foam to give us the foundation of the mattress. We then layer and bond 2 inches of cool, hypoallergenic latex to give an enhanced comfort. The natural latex gives a medium firmness and offers a noise-free, natural sleep. The advanced latex is constructed of a breathable, open-celled structure that provides enhanced pressure relief and will respond to your body shape, moulding and supporting from head to toe. Designed for long-lasting performance, your durable mattress will hold its shape for years. Single-sided for your convenience, this mattress has 7 comfort zones, created from softer zones that cushion your shoulders and firmer support zones to perfectly align your spine. The mattress cover is made from our exclusive 3D soft-touch knitted tencel fabric, which is exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure that you awake from your deep slumber fully refreshed.